Hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, can you hear me well?
Yes,
Very good. Can you see me?
yes.
Nice. Welcome to my class. I am Teacher AM. What's your name?
My name is Mimi.
Wow, what a beautiful name, Mimi. Hi, Mimi. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Great. How old are you, Mimi?
I 9 years old.
Wow, so young. How are you?
How are you?
How are you? Are you happy?
I am fine. Thanks you.
Very good. Okay, so Mimi, have you eaten dinner already? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Wow, what did you have for dinner?
I eat egg. I know it's egg, bread, and vegetable.
Oh, so yummy. Okay, Mimi, what's the weather today?
The weather today is cloud,
It is?
cloudy.
Oh, it's
Cloudy.
cloudy. I see. Okay, you know what, Mimi? Teacher AM likes singing, dancing, and reading books. How about you? What do you like?
I that is a that hip hop
Wow, that's
and
amazing. Uh,
swing. Swing.
Swimming, very
Sleeping.
good. Of
Sleeping.
course, I love sleeping too. Where do you like
I love.
swimming? Wow,
I
where do you like swimming?
because it's so very is very um I like it's sour and I like swimming too. And tomorrow is in town have a new swimming pool and tomorrow I go swimming pool and I swim.
Wow, who are you going swimming tomorrow with?
What?
Who are you going tomorrow? Who are you going swimming? Are you going with your mom?
I go with a dad, mom, and friends.
Wow, amazing, Mimi. Okay, so what are you holding, Mimi? Is that a plastic?
What?
What are you holding? Oh, it's a plastic, right? Or a
Yes, I am.
cellophane. Great. Now, Mimi, look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Nice. Now look at your book. What can you see?
I see change and half the people is a la 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 la.
All right.
What?
Now let's count one more time. How many people are there?
They are four, five, four,
One,
six.
two, three, four, five, six. Say, there are six people.
There are six people.
Very good. Okay, now today we're going to have a practice test for speaking. Okay, I encourage you to answer in a complete sentence. For example, what's your name? Instead of saying Mimi, we say, my name is Mimi. Okay,
Okay.
very good. All right, now Mimi, look at the picture. There are two pictures. This is picture one and this is picture two. Find the differences between picture one and picture two. Okay? You can do it
Okay.
in picture one. What will you say? This is an example. In picture one, the house is red. But in picture two, the house is blue. What other differences can you see, Mimi?
Yes. And a picture one has two two post toys, but in picture two it have a three post toys.
Nice. What else?
And he and in a picture one have a plant, but in picture two it's not have a plant.
Okay. What else?
And in a picture one have a boy is a fly a kite. Plus in a picture two is have a girl is a fly kite.
Nice. Anything else?
And have as in a picture one have a man is um, is walking, but in picture two is a man is a man is running.
That's right. A man is
running.
running. Very good. Wow, well done, Mimi. So you've got here 5 out of 5. So give me a high five. Nice. You have 1 star for that. Very good. But Mimi, let's review some of your sentences. Instead of saying, in picture one, it have two boat toys, you can say, in picture one, there, okay, there are two boats. But in picture two, there are three. Okay, can you please read?
In picture one, there are two boats, but in picture two, there are three boats.
Amazing. Okay, same with this one. Okay, instead of saying it have a boy, you can say in picture one, the boy is flying a kite, but in picture two, the girl is flying a kite. Your turn.
The picture one is the boy is fly kite, but in picture two is the girl is fly kite.
Okay, we don't say it's the girl is flying. No, we say in picture two, the girl is flying a kite. One last time, Mimi.
In picture one, the boy is fly a kite, but in picture two, the girl is fly a kite.
Very good. Okay, and also with the plane, you can say in picture one, there is a plane. But in picture two, there isn't any plane.
In picture one, there is a plane, but in picture two, there isn't isn't
Any?
any any plane.
Very good, Mimi. Okay, now Mimi, look at this one. All right. So how many pictures can you see?
I see four picture.
Very good. Okay, so each picture tells a story. You're going to look at the picture and tell the story. You can start with one day.
Today, one day the girl is brush my teeth.
Okay.
And a girl is say, red cat. And she is run. And next picture, the girl is take take the cat in the arm, in the body. And but if in a bathroom, the girl is not see the cat.
Okay. Thank you for that one. So let's check. Okay. Listen carefully. This is how we retell or we tell the story. One day, the girl is brushing her teeth. When she looked at the mirror, she can see a cat behind her. She walked down the stairs so fast and she went upstairs and took the cat. When she went to the bathroom, there's another cat. Okay. And the other cat is on her head. Okay. So that's how we tell the story. Okay. What about you, Mimi? When do you brush your teeth? When do you brush your teeth, Mimi?
Yes.
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 Okay. When do you brush your teeth? Do you brush your teeth every morning, at night, or what?
I am only night because morning I am not have a time.
Wow, I see. Okay. So do you have a cat, Mimi?
Yes. I
Wow,
do.
what's the name of your cat?
I not have.
Oh, you don't have, but do you like a cat?
Yes, but in the grandmother grandmother have a one cat. Name is a dog.
Oh, the name of the cat is Dog.
Yeah.
Oh, that's ironic. All right. Thank you for sharing that one, Mimi. So, Mimi, let's talk about your family. Who live in your house?
I live in your house in the in the uh, in the park view in the Hanoi.
Wow, very good because you live in the
Hanoi.
capital city of Vietnam. Okay, now let's talk about your family. Who live in your house? This is an example. My mom, dad, three sisters, one brother, and my grandma live in our house. How about you? Who live in your house?
How many?
Who live? Who?
Who is
Mommy, daddy?
mommy, daddy, and me?
Very good. Okay, who is the youngest in your family?
It's my dad because it's the first so my dad is so very big.
Ah, the muscle of your dad is so very big. Okay, so the
And
youngest
so
is
much,
you.
so much.
Ah,
My dad is so very big.
I see. Okay, youngest means the
It's so
one
very
that is
strong.
so young, not strong. Youngest doesn't mean strong. Okay, so in Vietnamese, this is youngest.
Út, út.
Who is the youngest in your family? Who is the youngest in your family?
Ai là người trẻ nhất trong gia đình bạn?
It's a me. It's a me.
Okay, who is the youngest? That's you. Very good. Youngest
Yeah.
means young, not daddy. Daddy is older than you. Okay, what do you do with your family on holiday, Mimi?
My family on holiday is I go out outside my house and example is I go Đà Nẵng, Đà Lạt and in and I don't know.
Oh, so you usually go to Da Nang with your family on a holiday, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So let me help you on how to say that. You can say, okay, on holiday, my family and me will go or usually go to Da Nang.
Usually go to Đà Nẵng, Đà
Very
Lạt.
good. Okay, say one more time. What do you do with your family on holiday?
On holiday, my family and my and me usually go to Da Nang.
Very good. Okay, so Mimi, tell me about your father. This is an example. The name of my father is Ray. He is 56 years old. He is a
Oh,
doctor. He is patient, funny, handsome, and strong. How about you?
if my father name is a Duke, but in English name is Donald Trump.
Wow.
And he is 45 years old.
Nice. Okay, what does your father do?
My
What's the
mother
job?
do
What's
my
the job
mother
of your
do is
father?
sell. My father do sell something.
Oh, I see. Okay, what about your mother? Tell me about your mother.
My mother name is Tree. She
Wow.
she she is um 24 years old and she is a babe.
Wow, a
She
vet.
she not a vet. She is a make a medicine for an animal.
Very good. Oh, so maybe your mom is I don't know
Vet.
how to say, a vet like this?
Yes.
Oh, yes. She's a veterinarian. Very good. Okay. So, Mimi, how old is your mom? 24?
No. No.
Oh, how old? 34?
Yes.
Ah,
34.
I see. Okay, so young. Very good, Mimi. Okay, now, Mimi, tell me about yourself.
What are yourself?
Tell me about yourself. Okay, this is an example. Hi, I am AM. I'm 24 years old. I'm from the Philippines. I like dancing, singing, and reading books. How about you? Tell me about yourself.
Hello everyone. My name is Mimi. I'm 9 years old. I I a very younger in the family and I'm in holiday. I go sells something with my father.
Very good.
I like go to farmer with my family.
Wow.
I love swimming. I love dancing. I love singing.
Amazing. So give me high five, Mimi. Very good. So you've got 3 stars. Nice. So Mimi, I heard you saying, I like go to farm. Okay? Instead of saying that, you can say, I like going to the farm. Can you please say one more time?
I like going to the farm.
Very good.
I know it's I go farmer. In the holiday I go farmer and go. I don't know.
Okay, so you can just say, in the holiday, I go to the farm. That's it. Okay, so now, Mimi, look at the pictures. Okay, you're going to tell me what pictures can you see. Okay, and find the different one. Then tell me why it is different. So let me give you an example. I can see lemon, pineapple, and book and orange. So which picture is different? The book is different because it is not a fruit and it's not yellow. It is a book. Okay, what about here? Which one is different and why, Mimi?
Because it's everything is uh, everything is in the home, but only one picture is in the class.
That's right. Okay, picture one is different because it is a classroom. The other pictures are kitchen, bedroom, and the bathroom. Okay, which is part of the house. Great job, Mimi. What about the third column? Which picture is different and why?
I don't know here.
I see, but you got it correct, Mimi. Okay, so let's take a look at this. What is this? Oh, we call that one CD. CD, compact disc.
Is is everything is uh make is so very soft, but only one picture CD is a very crunchy.
Oh, yes, it is tiny. Okay, and the DJ will play with it. Okay, so picture three is different because it is a CD. One, two, and three are all papers. Okay, now what about the last one? Which picture is different and why, Mimi?
Big is everything is everything people is it. Only one picture is it's a cook.
Very good. It's picture four because everybody is eating, while picture four is cooking. Okay,
Oh,
so give me a high five.
teacher, what the number 2 is a bathroom.
I'm sorry, this one? Ah, I know. Number two is a bathroom because we cannot see a chair in the bathroom. In picture one,
Here,
two, and three, there are chairs. That is not a chair. That's what we call a toilet.
a toilet. Ah, I
Yeah.
have a singing. Skibidi don don yes yes. Skibidi don don yes yes. Skibidi don dee.
Wow, very good. You have a beautiful voice, Mimi. Now, Mimi, you did well in our last part of speaking test. So give me a high 10. High 10. Nice. So you have another 1 star. Now, Mimi, let's have a free talk. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink, purple, and black. And is I like singing because I am very like Blackpink and Baby Monster.
Wow, nice. I love purple too. That's why everything here on my desk are purple. Do you want to see?
Yes, and I see a star is half a purple too.
That's right. It is purple. Look at my chair. It's purple.
I
My
see the blue.
eyeglasses are purple. Oh, it's not blue. Look at this one. It is a purple. I'm going to show you what is a blue color. This is blue. Blue,
Uh,
purple.
okay.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay. And of course, I have so many things that are purple here. Look at that. Everything is purple. My mini fan is purple. My mouse is purple. My keyboard is purple. And of course, my lamp is purple. And your wall is pink, right?
yes,
Great. Okay. Oh, what do you call that one?
this is the our favorite.
Yes. Okay. We call that one hot dog pillow.
The off the sometimes us it every day.
Oh, I see. Oh, you
I
have so many. Oh, we
think
call that
name
leg pillow.
it's a
That is,
people.
oh,
Name is
yes, that is
people.
a leg pillow. Very good. Okay, so Mimi, what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite food is noodle.
Wow. Okay, me, I love grapes. Okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is a noodle, and my favorite thing is uh 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 uh, milk.
Water? Wow, milk. Very good. So, Mimi, it's already time. Thank you so much for joining our class. You did great. So, of course, you've got 6 stars. Okay, so bye bye. I hope you learned something. Have a good night.